Because then my freaking mucus gets out of my nose.
Okay.
Do what?
Tony, you see that? You should probably write the lower.
Alright, yes or no, second.
How did you think of it?
True or false together yesterday? Yes or no?
We didn't even start it.
Oh, we didn't.
Nope.
Okay. You need to go behind.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, because I gave you guys extra time on your quiz.
Did you put the
No, definitely no.
She probably didn't even grade them yet, so please don't ask them.
Yes, we literally graded it by ourselves if she would remember what you
She said she was gonna grade them by herself.
I don't
So get it right now.
Oh, I love today. Today is going to be a great day, even though I'm freaking dying.
Well, I'm about to put up the true false answers for everyone to check. I don't know. You
We
haven't started
did
yourself
true
yet,
false.
so. Yes, start the assignment. Number 1 through
I know. Oh, that's. I was thinking that's dumb. Wait, did I? Okay, hold on. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna start by showing the answers to true false.
No.
And then I'll pick up wherever you guys have questions. Alright. Number 1. Thumbs up if you answered false.
I think one's false.
We're getting new books next year. So you can just set that aside.
What is that?
What he does? I do all the time. I know you do.
So x squared plus 5x plus 6, it says, is this an example of a prime polynomial? That's false, because this can factor. 2 times 3 is 6. Do you think me to do these from scratch? No? Did you get false for that, Will? Number 1. Thank you. Number 2 is true. Number 2 is a difference of 2 squares.
Oh, my pencil's over here.
Patrick, did you do the true false? Should I do them from scratch? Georgia, what number are you on?
2 days.
So for number 3, did you get true or false?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I did.
Number 4, false. Go back and check. Did you do number 4 yet? It's okay if you didn't.
4 is false.
You're gonna get short no matter what. Yeah? Yeah, because you're not doing as much.
I'll teach you how to do it.
Running doesn't get you short. Yeah, but we do that when we're during the season. We don't practice right now. We have clubs.
Oh, okay, so.
Alright, number 5, true.
Number 1. Oh, never mind. 4.
Start with
5, true. 6, false.
Libby, can you please not tell me what to do? Like, be your own person. You always have to follow me.
I never followed you. I everything.
Libby, you're not his mother. That's what I'm saying.
I've already seen these answers. Some of y'all are ahead and some of y'all are not. Okay. Okay.
She's so racist. I love her. Fair to everyone. 6 is false, 5 is true.
Gabriel, what'd you get for number 6? The zero product property states that A times B is 1. Then A or B is 1. What do you think? But why? Yeah, zero product property is A times B equals 0, not A times B equals 1. That's why it's called a zero product, right? So 6 is false. Number 7, I didn't teach you perfect square trinomials. This is true. No, not even close. Number 8. Number 8's a great problem. I'd love to talk about number 8 for a moment. What is a leading coefficient? A leading coefficient, the first one, but it can only be found in standard form. It must be in order. In this problem, it should be 9a squared plus 6a plus 1. So in standard form, the leading coefficient is 9. Number 9, Thomas, why is number 9 false? Oh, bummer. Does anybody know why 9 is false? It's not a trinomial. What is it called? It's a binomial.
What is it? Oh, I was right.
You know it. The FOIL method is used to multiply two trinomials. Alicia, what'd you get for that? Number 10. Why is it false? No, FOIL works with two binomials. You could say polynomial, but specifically it's supposed to be binomial. Because when you do first out or inner last, it works with 2 terms times 2 terms. No, 7 was true. Alright. I have so many more answers, but I don't want to show you yet. I want you guys to work ahead. On numbers 11, when it says put them in standard form, that means write the highest exponent first. I guess I'll show you the first one.
Here comes
Which is all of them.
11.
When you put something in standard form, you put the highest exponent first. So this would be 3x squared plus x plus 2. No, it's not. Because it's the first term.
Oh.
You drop the parentheses, combine the terms. You can stack them up like this. And add down.
Oh. Now you move it up.
No.
What? I know, I was just doing what?
Any questions over here?
11. Hi.
Huh? 3x and 6.
day just gets worse and worse. Until you hang out with your friends, Patrick. Until you hang out with someone like you. That might be a deal. Better or better. It might just be a bad.
Yes, he doesn't have any friends.
What?
Put yourself in other people's shoes.
Who? Yeah. Who cares?
Put yourself in other people's shoes.
I do.
Bro, first of all, let's start with this. Tony, she thinks JIT is spelled J-H-I.
Oh, I was gonna say that. It's J-H-I-T.
No, it is not. You're stupid.
I literally sent you screenshots.
I literally sent you screenshots. Yeah, well, I did too.
You think JIT is
That's JIT.
Focus on your math. Focus on your math.
Dumb, bro.
Hold on.
If you're about to sleep, do it in the other direction.
That's you, Tony.
Thank you.
See, I'm nice to people because I know what happens.
What?
Like, it's karma, dude.
Never.
Uh,
Do you have any more tissues as well? I need a fill like this.
Tyler, is number 13 x to the second plus 3x plus 2?
Oh, you know, 27. Really?
I'm a bit higher than love than the rest. Why does this have to be so long? Shining on. So why you always me? Why you always crying? Why you sleep alone? I know you're gonna get. You can be different. H-I-T, man. Yes, it is. Who taught you to spell like that? Oh. That explains why I'm good.
Don't even begin. What do you mean? I'm not the one who thinks he's fucking J-H-I-T. That's cheating.
Okie dokie. I'm gonna kick off now with number 15.
How can gum be good?
Alright, on 15. You want to line them up vertically and combine like terms. So I got the top one, x to the third plus 2. And then I put this one underneath it, negative 3x to the third minus 5, and we combine like terms. So 1 minus 3 would give us negative 2x to the third. Remember, when you're adding and subtracting, the exponents don't change. And then 2 minus 5 would be a negative 3. And that's it for 15.
There you go, Patrick. There you go, Patrick.
You have to excuse yourself before you go. That's the proper way to do it.
Look.
You're definitely right.
Yeah, I know. I was in the Royal Kingdom.
Alright, for 16, we see a subtraction sign. So that means we need to add the opposite. So I'm going to put a plus sign here, but instead of 2a squared, it will be a negative 2a squared. Instead of 4a negative, it'll be a positive 4a. Instead of a positive 3, it'll be a minus 3. It's like multiplying negative 1, and you could look at it like that. Distributing negative. Yeah, only if it's minus.
For number 19, you have to add the common
Yeah. But if you're moving across an equal line, you have to do opposites. Tuesday.
Nice Tuesday.
Alright, a squared minus 2a squared is negative 1a squared. 5a plus 4a is 9a. And negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. Everybody go back and check number 16.
Yeah, this is going to get back in a while.
number 19.
Get that far? Did you distribute? Those cancel. Alright, number 17. Ooh, 17's in the wrong order.
Well, how do you know if it's in the wrong order?
The highest exponent should be in the front of the problem.
Because I'm not making the standard form. Ah. Not like that.
So the problem is adding, and it's horizontal, but if you stack them, it can be easier. So negative 3x squared plus 2x squared is a negative x squared. 4 minus 5 would be negative 1x, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Everybody go through, check number 17. How'd you do? Libby. You just get ready. I'm going to start 18. Don't copy this. Look at 18 and start 18 right now. Just foil.
Out.
Yes, Kalia? How do you foil? So that's distribution. I did 2x times x, and I got 2x squared. 2x times 3, and I got 6x. 2 times x squared, 2x squared, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'll subtract 2x squared from both sides, and they just happen to cancel. Am I going too quick? Now this is multiplication, so I'll divide by 6 because that one didn't have an x.
That's a perfect part. I'm out of it today. I'm probably just gonna get a bad grade for today.
Listen, this doesn't lead to a bad grade for today. This leads to a bad grade for a
Tuesday.
test,
Yeah.
which is a bad grade for like 4 weeks.
Come on.
This test grade is gonna be your grade through progress reports probably.
I'm gonna study over the weekend when I'm not sick.
Yeah, I'll put that in, but the 100-point test is gonna be worth a lot more.
But I have to be at school.
22? You're still waiting on 22, Tyler? Who did 22 yet?
22 do you? So I'm always angry.
Aiden, you did 22? Yeah. Well, help Tyler out. Compare answers. Show me your rate. You skipped it? I gotta hit 18 up first. Alright, 18. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Because it's walking all the way around the figure, the rectangle. So, the perimeter is 2 times 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 plus 2 times 5x plus 3. This is kind of the most efficient way to set it up. Distribute it in. And I get 4x squared minus 6x plus 2 plus 10x plus 6. Hey, check it out. Number 18. Hey, thumbs up. Did anybody get 18 right? Okay, I'll take it. 3 people. I'll take it. 4 people got it. Don't just copy it, you guys. A lot of people just copying my work. That's not test prep. Combined lecture.
Well, you got snot in your chin, bro. Oh. You got snot? Bro, you need to shave. Cody, please shave, bro. Bro, that little scruffle is not doing the lady for you. Don't call me sis because I'm not your sister.
That's where you come from. Don't tell me you took off my case.
I did. Why?
Where's my other ones?
There wasn't any.
Yes, there was. What do you mean? There was 2. No.
Nothing in your phone case.
No, there wasn't. No, where is my green one? I had a green one in there. Yes, there was. Never take it out. Never take it out. I never take it out.
There was nothing in here.
Well, I'm gonna give you 2 seconds.
I'm gonna give you 2 explanations. There was nothing.
No. There was. No. There was. A green one. Never take it out.
That's what I said.
Where is my green one, Will? Will.
I'm jumping really quick to number 21.
Yes. That was the most perfect.
There's
one
been
I
quite
did.
a few people asking me about 21, so I'm jumping there really quick. First, when I distribute, I end up with 8w plus 2w squared minus 6 equals 2w squared minus 8w plus 10. Okay, so now I'm going to put a line in, and I'm going to get like terms on the same side of the line. So I would subtract this 2w squared on both sides, and that would give me 8w minus 6, because that will cancel on both sides, equals negative 8w plus 10. And then I'll plus 8w on both sides. And 16w minus 6 equals 10. And then I will add 6 on both sides. And 16w equals 16. And then I will divide by 16. And w equals 1. Did anybody get through 21 correctly? Okay, good job. Good job.
I'm gonna need my green one back up.
I don't have your green one. So now I gotta go back and do 19 and 20. Maybe I'll just do them on the board.
You don't even do that.
On 21 now? Will, did you do 21?
Yes.
Did you mess it up?
Yes, I am.
Like, can you tell me where?
That's what's terrible.
I think oh, you know what? No, you're right. I didn't finish it. Yeah, okay, oh, yeah,
I'm gonna rewind to number 19. Hey, thumbs up if you're ready for number 19. Who's past number 19? Thumbs up.
Well, I
Okay.
have a green one. I never opened my case.
Who's ready for 19? Everybody else, hopefully? I'm gonna do 19 right now. Okay, so I'm gonna distribute in 19 first. So I have to do x squared times x, and that would be x to the third. And then I'm going to do x squared times 2, and that'll be 2x squared. And then I'm going to distribute on the other side of the line. X times x squared, x to the third. Add the exponents. X times 2x. 2x squared. And x times 1 is x. Then you put a line in. Tony, what are your thoughts from here? I did this long problem. I got 3's and 2's here, and then all this over here. What are we going to do to simplify this any smaller? How do we simplify this problem up?
Would you subtract the number?
Yeah, what do you want to subtract?
I want to say.
I like to start at the highest exponent.
Okay, so x3.
So I'm going to
Subtract
minus this
x3.
x3 here because there's another one over here. They actually happen to just cancel out. They're the same on both sides. They cancel. So then 2x squared equals 2x squared plus x. Man, there's so many x's.
That's a good one.
We're going to do it again, Tony. Subtract 2x squared from both sides of the line. They both cancel. Now, when this whole side completely cancels, that leaves a 0 there. So number 19 is 0 equals x. Got it, Dominic?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give a paper ball here.
Will. Really?
Number 20. I'm gonna do 20 right next to it.
See?
Okay, so again, we'll distribute. Are you ready? Oh, you're fast. Ready for 20. Alright, Tony, you're up again.
I'm up again.
How to distribute in 20? Right here, I'm gonna distribute this 2x in. You know what the result will be when I multiply 2x in?
It'll be 2x3
2x squared
plus 6x
yeah.
equals.
Dominic, can you do the S?
Another one?
Yeah, Dom.
2x squared plus 6.
You didn't tell me you did this. I was like,
Alright, Dominic, what would you do from here to make this problem more simplified? What do you want to subtract?
My green part back.
Yeah.
I do.
And I line it up right underneath that other like term,
ever.
and they cancel. What's the last step here? Divide by 6.
Then you get x equals. No, wait, no, the other problem. Never mind.
X equals 1. Check numbers 19 and 20. And I already did 21. It's there. Should I pause? I guess I can do erase 19. Does anybody want to take a picture of this? Is 19, 20, and 21 all in the same place? If you want to take a picture.
4K 1080p picture of that.
I know it was you. You know, oh, it was you. Dom or you. You know why? Because I never opened my case. So I kept it there.
You don't have to write F on
Never
my
get off. No.
because it wasn't in there.
Who would steal parts and not my phone?
Yeah, I'm going to do 22 right now. This might be the last problem we get in. 22 says find the area. Area is length times width. So this will be x squared plus x minus 7 times 3x. I'm going to switch that.
And once he seriously takes off my phone case and put his hard
You guys, stop moving around. I'm still working here. Work until the bell rings. So length times width, I'm going to do the 3x times the x squared plus x minus 7. So 3x times x squared will be 3x to the third, because you add exponents. 3x times x will be 3x squared, and 3x times negative 7 is negative 21x. That's all you can do. You know, double the what?
And plus, if people stole it, why would they steal the parts and not?
I don't know.
Someone has my heart.
No, yours is okay.
Someone has.
Think that your brother
I know.